Hi, good morning. This is our second day here in Pattaya, Thailand. Actually, nandito kami sa McDo ngayon para mag-breakfast. Kung mapapansin nyo, same shirt pa rin yung suit ko today. Kasi after this, magsiswimming kami sa hotel. Then after that, may pupuntahan kaming sikat na temple, museum dito sa Pattaya.
Tanggalin.
Hindi, ito. Yung paper. Kunin mo yung paper, lakad mo dyan. Tanggalin mo na yan. Kasi masyadong ano.
So happy na tayo.
Wait ang paper na.
Dahil sa isa rin akong runner, napansin ko na marami rin palang nagla-running o nagja-jogging dito sa Pattaya tuwing umaga. Dito sa side namin, marami ring motorbikes na for rental. For tourist, kakailanganin mo yung passport at international driver's permit. Ayan, wait lang muna tayo kasi parang ritual na yung pagpipicture bago kumain. Then, tingin-tingin muna tayo ng view. This time, nandito na tayo sa pool area ng hotel. Actually, nung nagsiswimming na ako, yung lasa ng tubig nila sa pool ay hindi lasang chlorine, kundi lasang lemon. Hindi ko alam bakit ganun. Ayan, andito na kami sa isa sa aming itinerary na bisitahin dito sa Thailand. Ito ang The Sanctuary of Truth. It is a colossal unfinished wooden structure in Pattaya, Thailand, built entirely without metal nails and adorned with intricate carvings.
Where we are, where we came from, we are all the same human being. We compounded with these four elements, which is earth, water, wind, and air. The beginning of human creation, and the center, which represents the sun, daylight, and we have also discovered Mother Earth here in Thailand. They call it Bethlehem, which you find food and shelter.
Meron ding elephant dito na pwede mong sakyan at pakainin for another experience. Ayan, lunchtime na. So, dito kami kakain ngayon sa City Coffee Pattaya. It is a cozy, tropical coffee house known for its ocean views, friendly atmosphere, and a menu featuring both drinks and food. Yan, pabalik na muna kami sa hotel. Then, ipakita ko sa inyo ang mga establishment dito sa may Pattaya. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, hili-hilera dito magkakatabi ang mga restaurant, bars, at especially at hindi mawawala ang Thai massage. At dahil sa second day pa lang natin dito sa Thailand at balak namin sa last day na ng tour namin kami magpamassage, baka sa Bangkok na yon. In Thai massage, a practitioner uses stretching, pulling, and rocking techniques to attempt to relieve tension, promote relaxation, and improve flexibility and circulation. Ganyan yung itsura ng Thai massage establishment dito sa Thailand. Yung mga therapists naghihintay actually sa labas ng establishment.